Taong 2022 ay pumasok bilang professional boxer itong bagong prospect ng Japan na si Hayato TSUTSUMI. At sa unang dalawang laban niya ay dalawang Pinoy agad ang dinurog niya. Ito ay sina Jan Himeno at Pete Apolinar. 23 anyos pa lang itong Hapon at may record pa lang na 2 wins with 0 loss, pero matindi na din ang karanasan nito sa amateur. Base sa boxrec.com ay may amateur record ito na 22 wins, 4 losses, 2 dito via knockout. At ngayon, sa kanyang pangatlong laban bilang professional boxer, ay isang Pinoy ulit ang kanyang makakaharap, ang dating world title contender natin na tubong masbate na si SANTISIMA alias Santino. Galing sa pagkatalo itong Pinoy noong nakaraang taon kontra si Mumachi via unanimous decision, pero buo ang loob nito na dadayo ulit sa Japan para harapin itong batang pambato ng kalaban. May kasalukuyang record itong si SANTISIMA na 22 wins, 5 losses, 19 via knockout. Ang laban ay para sa bakanting OPBF featherweight title. Ikatlong Pinoy na kaya itong si SANTISIMA na mabibiktima nitong si TSUTSUMI o si SANTISIMA na ang magmamansya sa malinis na kartada nitong Hapon. Pero bago pumasok bilang professional itong si Hayato TSUTSUMI ay may 4 na talo na ito bilang amateur at isa sa mga tumalo niya ay isang Pinoy. 2020 ay nakaharap niya ang Pinoy na si Ian Clark Bautista. Ginawa ang laban nila sa Amman, Jordan. Kahit mas maliit ang Pinoy na si Bautista na may height lang na 5'4", ay nagawa pa din niyang talunin sa puntusan ng Hapon na may tangkad na 5'7 and 1/2. Ating balikan ang laban ng Pinoy na si Ian Clark Bautista kontra Hayato TSUTSUMI.
Nice left jab once again from Bautista, and so both boxers enjoying success in the opening 30 seconds.
As I say, he's an established competitor in international competition. Won the Felix Stam tournament back in March 2018 in Warsaw. He's one of a strong Filipino squad here in Amman.
Top spot on the global podium. He scores with a good left jab to the body, but that was countered by a right hand downstairs from the man in red. He comes in as the reigning Asian Championship bronze medalist at 56 kilograms. The weights have been altered, of course, because in Olympic competition, 8 men's weight divisions will be contested. Nice defense from both boxers. They tuck it a straight right to the body as he's looking to penetrate the gloves, but was picked off by a jab while he was punching. Terrific action in the opening half of this first round.
Real to and fro here, and Bautista holding his own well. It's a good left again from Bautista. He's very much in this boxing contest.
Terrific work by both men. Good left hand to the body by the boxer in blue, and TSUTSUMI happy to concede as he takes to that short mid-range. And TSUTSUMI not looking to keep the man on the end of his jab, but happy to trade bent arm punches. Terrific defense being shown by both, but then oftentimes while the other is punching, shots are coming back right there. Exchange of...
He's got Bautista slightly ahead. I think he's just landing the stronger shots. He goes for a big right.
As the contest begun, but he was trying to get back to straight punching now. But again, Bautista just has a happy habit of edging incrementally forwards and getting into his own punching range. And again, sometimes emotion can get the better of boxers. Remember, even though he's had success on the global stage in the youth ranks, this very much...
And, well, 2 more rounds, it should be very exciting, more at distance.
So into the second round then. Bautista, the boxer wearing red, out quickly from his corner to begin this second round, and immediately TSUTSUMI on the back foot, and he's probing effectively with that left hand. Circling to his right, so we'll have to watch that he doesn't walk onto the right hand back. Bautista was looking to wind up. He dropped down well to the body there, but from TSUTSUMI mentioned the fact that he was the world youth champion. I was ringside at that tournament, and he was one of the outstanding performers at St. Petersburg 2016. And here he is now, 20 years of age, transitioning through to the senior ranks very effectively indeed. Was caught effectively by the right glove, but this is terrific use of the left hand from TSUTSUMI.
Gold, and he's trained with professional boxers in the training camp, but as you can see, Bautista not done yet, and when they get close, he's the one on top.
And that is certainly where Bautista wants the contest. The first round, the first minute of this second round, TSUTSUMI was able to keep well. This is where Bautista comes right back into it. This is where he enjoyed his success in the opening round, and TSUTSUMI did a terrific job carrying out adaptive strategy to begin the second.
A bit and just try and keep Bautista at bay, but big body shots from both men.
And then a right hand, the final shot of that exchange from TSUTSUMI upstairs. And again, if you're dealing with a moving boxer, investing in body shots can slow the feet down in the latter stages of a contest. But Bautista, again, when it's at range, he has a really difficult time getting beyond to keep this dynamic little boxer in red out of the pocket. Bautista showing no problem with his desire. He continues to come forwards and wants
To the body again, and this might tell in the final round.
terrific round. A 3-2 split in the opening round in favor of the man in blue. The man in red has fought his way right back into it.
TSUTSUMI up by 2 points on one, and it's all square on the other two, so it really is.
We're privy to the scores, of course, as you are here watching on the OlympicChannel.com by the respective corners of both boxers. We'll get back to that in a moment, because Bautista has come out like a little buzzsaw to begin this third and final round. A volley of shots downstairs, and then look at this, it's back and forth action through the first 30 seconds of a fascinating final round as he looks to fashion a clinch. Was talking about the technology available. We're privy to the scores here on the Olympic Channel, and the corners have monitors next to where they're operating with the spit bucket and the equipment that they're able to use, and they're privy to the scores as well. So they will have shared it with Udon, gained some respite, and in stark contrast, look at Bautista.
And TSUTSUMI is getting caught. He's got caught again there, and Bautista looks invigorated, and I think he's on top here.
Well, that's the impression I share as well through the first half of the final round. Bautista proving to be irrepressible, continuing to pour forwards and landing accurate heavy punches to both body and head. TSUTSUMI is boxing back, he's content to hold on, continuing to bustle away with punches just above the belt line. He steps back and comes back into the pocket with a right hand to the left flank of the man in blue. And in response, TSUTSUMI is off the mark with his attempted counter.
TSUTSUMI just needs to try and get out of there. He's been drawn in to a battle at close quarters, and Bautista is winning it. So can TSUTSUMI, well, he's trying to trip.
It's the first minute and a half of the second round where TSUTSUMI was really effective behind his jab, wasn't rewarded by the judges. Credit to him, maybe he's tried to adapt his strategy and fight fire, but it appears to be Bautista is a little bit fresher as he scores with a cracking left hook upstairs. Brilliant response from TSUTSUMI, now pursuing the shorter man in red, and he scores with a good right hand off the ropes. Here's confirmation. It is Ian Clark Bautista, a split decision victor over the man from Japan.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.